BPAMedical365 integrates with Teams, Power Automate, Power Apps, Forms, and Power BI. The navigation bar includes all modules to comply with medical regulations like ISO 13485. The homepage contains your actions, important KPIs, and recent activities as a connected user. Add your own help text on each page to guide users through the app. Compliance Documents is the place for selected authors to add and modify documents, add document properties, workflow properties, and collect signatures. Make sure multi-factor authentication is enabled in your tenant prior using e-signatures. Simply mass import your existing compliance documents from the site content page. Approved documents is where collaborators access documents for training and where trainees' signatures are collected. Published documents is where all collaborators access PDF-converted, effective documents in read-only. We have developed pre-configured workflows to automate the whole document lifecycle, comply with regulations, and eliminate manual work. Ask BPA to set up these workflows for you. Embed your own process map to understand how your company works and simplify employee onboarding. The process page contains details about related regulations, documents, non-conformities, and more. Process owners have full control in improving their processes. Simply import your processes from the site content page. The regulations page shows clauses and chapters with their requirements for everyone to understand about regulations. Viewing all published documents for a specific clause drastically simplifies audits. Just import regulations from the site content page. Track all non-conformities, customer complaints, and supplier issues with collected signatures in the app. Simply register non-conformities and make sure to investigate, plan action, and check effectiveness prior closing. Allow every internal and external stakeholder to log a non-conformity at no cost by using configurable forms. The non-conformity page includes all details with collected signatures, root causes, related CAPA actions, photos, and attachments. Simply produce a formatted non-conformity report in a click of a button. The configurable non-conformity dashboard shows important metrics like a root cause Pareto diagram. The interactive non-conformity Power BI reports helps to take faster decisions. Ask BPA to configure Power BI options for you. By using the pre-configured incident Power Apps, employees on the field can easily register incidents with their mobile device and take photos. Ask BPA for the incident Power Apps. Ask BPA to set up pre-configured non-conformity and actions workflows for you and eliminate manual work. The Audit module is the place to track any type of audit and inspection. Plan audits in teams or in the app and make sure to go through each step to execute, plan action, and make sure actions are effective prior closing. Select questions for any regulation. You can set compliance and notes for each question. Simply import your questions from the site content page. Make it easy to run your audits with the optional Power App. Ask BPA to set up the Power App for you. Related findings and actions are consolidated in the audit page. An audit report can be generated in a mouse click. The dashboard shows the audit performance. The BPA settings page allows power users to edit or add navigation links, buttons, e-signature configurations, reminders, forms, and more. Open the site content to edit libraries, lists, and eQMS site pages. Open the support page to view quick start videos, to learn more about configuring the app, installation resources, and ask us for any help.